Have you ever imagined launching a digital business empire, a professional, polished website for your software startup, SaaS company, app, or tech venture, one that impresses investors, attracts customers, and scales like a real tech company? As you watch the Applauz demo on your screen, that vision starts feeling entirely achievable. This is not just a WordPress theme, it's a business-grade platform. A technology-first foundation that empowers you to present your startup professionally, build your brand, and convert curious visitors into paying users. This is Applauz, a WordPress theme designed exclusively for technology companies, SaaS businesses, mobile apps, digital startups, and software ventures. Built thoughtfully by bold themes, Applauz comes with elegant layouts, modern design elements, startup-oriented page sections, and 6 homepage variants, all crafted to reflect the spirit of innovation, professional ambition, and tech-centric storytelling. It's a theme that doesn't just look good, it feels like a launchpad for your business. When you enter the demo website, the first homepage option catches your eye with a clean, geometric design, striking typography, and a hero section that invites your visitors to take action. There are other home layouts tailored for apps, SaaS, creative teams, and startup events. Each layout is optimized to highlight your core value proposition, explain your service or product, and encourage conversions, whether that means signing up, requesting a demo, or joining a waitlist. One of the most powerful business features of Applauz is its cost calculator. Included for free with the theme, this calculator enables potential customers or clients to estimate the cost of using your service, subscribing to your product, or building something with your technology. That calculator is more than a UI gimmick, it's a conversion tool. It helps prospective clients understand your pricing in real time, reducing friction, increasing transparency, and encouraging them to contact you or purchase. For a SaaS business, that's invaluable. It's lead qualification built into your website. On the content side, Applauz uses the Bold Page Builder, which is a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies page creation, especially for non-technical founders. With the Page Builder, you can craft sections for feature highlights, team presentations, roadmap overviews, pricing tables, testimonials, and more, all aligned with your brand identity. Because the builder is built into the theme, changes are fast, updates are easy, and you don't have to rely on third-party heavy page builders. This gives you speed and flexibility, two critical assets as your startup evolves. Applauz is optimized for performance. It is fully responsive and Readiness-ready, which means your website looks crisp on any device, from high-resolution desktops to modern smartphones. That responsiveness matters deeply in business. Your prospective users, investors, or partners will most often first engage via mobile. When your site performs smoothly on all devices, you reduce bounce, increase engagement, and project professionalism. Another strategic advantage lies in localization and global readiness. Applauz supports RTL layouts for languages that read right to left, making it ideal if your startup targets markets such as the Middle East. It also supports translation, which means you can launch your website in multiple languages, giving you global reach from day one. For a technology business, that global growth potential can be a major differentiator. WooCommerce compatibility is built into Applauz, which unlocks even more business models. You could use your site not only as a SaaS landing page, but also as a store for digital products, software licenses, premium content, or even physical merchandise. This flexibility means you're not locked into a single revenue stream. As your startup grows, you can monetize in new and creative ways through e-commerce, upsells, or membership-based digital goods. From a trust and brand perspective, Applauz gives you dedicated space to showcase your team, your roadmap, your work, and your credentials. You can build a page that introduces your leadership, your founding story, your technical vision, and future direction. You can present case studies, feature integrations, or customer logos. When potential customers or investors land on your site, they feel confident they are dealing with a serious, visionary business, not just a side project. Scaling your business through content marketing is also easier with Applauz. The theme supports blog and portfolio pages, which means you can regularly publish thought leadership articles, product updates, and industry insights. High-quality content drives SEO, builds brand authority, and nurtures your visitor base. As you write more, you grow your organic reach, educate your users, and convert them into leads. That content plus marketing engine becomes a core part of your business strategy. In terms of infrastructure, the theme is backed by a powerful options panel. You manage your site's typography, color schemes, header layouts, menu styles, and page transitions. You have full control over how content appears, how users navigate, and how brand identity is conveyed. Every design choice, from sticky headers to boxed or full-width layouts, is under your command. That level of control makes your site feel bespoke, even if it's built off a theme. Now let's talk long-term business potential. Imagine launching your software startup website with Applauz. You attract early adopters through your landing page, convert them into sign-ups via your cost calculator, onboard them through your blog and case studies, and upsell them via WooCommerce when they're ready. You build trust, credibility, and a user base, without high development costs. As your company grows, you use the same WordPress infrastructure to launch new products, add services, or even spin off a separate startup brand, all from a unified front end. This kind of setup is not just about building a website. It's about building your brand identity, your launch platform, and your long-term digital business asset. With Applauz, you can present your startup like a fully funded tech company, even if you're just starting out. You're not building a blog, you're launching a product-focused business. You're not launching a static site, you're building your business headquarters on the web. If you're ready to create a polished, professional, scalable digital presence, one that captures leads, converts customers, and scales into a real tech business, then Applauz is your foundation. This demo isn't just a theme preview. It's your launchpad for a technology company, the first step on your journey from startup to scale up. Start now. Build your brand. Launch your business. Make your digital vision real. With Applauz, your tech startup's online empire can begin today.